Welcome to my detailed review of ExpenseBot, the personal finance tracker that has been making waves among budget-conscious users. We'll dive deep into its features, usability, and overall performance. When you first log in, you're greeted with a clean, intuitive dashboard that provides a clear snapshot of your financial health. ExpenseBot categorizes your transactions automatically, saving you time and effort. You can also customize these categories to align with your specific financial habits. The budgeting tool is one of ExpenseBot's standout features. It allows you to set spending limits for each category, and the app will notify you as you approach those limits. This proactive approach helps users stay on top of their finances without the need for constant manual tracking. Another impressive aspect is its savings goals feature. You can set specific goals, such as saving for a vacation or a new gadget, and ExpenseBot tracks your progress over time. This visual representation of your savings can be incredibly motivating. ExpenseBot also includes insightful analytics, offering charts and graphs that detail your income versus spending patterns. This allows you to identify areas where you might be overspending and adjust accordingly. The integration with bank accounts and credit cards is seamless, ensuring all your financial data is centralized in one place. The mobile app is highly responsive and user-friendly, making it easy to manage your finances on the go. ExpenseBot's security measures are top-notch, using encryption and multi-factor authentication to keep your data safe. Overall, ExpenseBot is a powerful tool for anyone looking to gain control over their finances. Whether you're trying to reduce debt, build savings, or simply get a clearer picture of your spending habits, this app has you covered. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and tips on personal finance tools. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.